up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to locate and delete for free duplicated media files on your WordPress website. So imagine the following scenario. I have a very large, a very big gallery into my WordPress website, and I don't have time to scroll it down all the way to locate a media that repeats, for example, like this, and like this. In this case, it's easy because I have uploaded, but on yours it may be hard. How to solve it into a simple, fast and effective way for free. This is what I'm going to learn in this video, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard to access dashboard on the browser address bar, access your domain plus WP admin, enter with the credentials, and you're going to be able to see the WordPress dashboard. Review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over plugins, okay? And hit the sub-menu add plugin. We're going to be installing a free plugin called Media Debuter, just like this. Review the upper right corner of your screen, type this text, and here is the guide that I'm looking for. Click on install now. Click on activate button, and this is going to redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And if you hover your mouse over settings into the left sidebar of menus, you're going to be able to find Media Debuter plugin settings, okay? And here is the plugin working. Go to Media, and you're going to be able to find a new submenu, Manage Duplicates. Use this tool to identify duplicated media. So we're going to need to index, okay? You click on Index Media. You need to be patient. All media has been successfully indexed. Manage Duplicate Media now. And as you can see, there is a couple of duplications right here. What you can do? You can delete the duplications, just like this. Repeat the process until you have deleted all the duplicated media. Just remember, you may need to access the page and re-upload the correct media, because one version of the media may be on one page, another version may be on another page. So nothing to worry, be patient and delete one by one. Or of course, you can just select a bulk of media, like this. Bulk action, delete permanently. And we are good to go. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to check out visualmodo.com, portfolio of amazing WordPress themes.